guys, ulit-ulit ka lang. Kalat ang couch. Starting off with the stickers. Thank you very much, Mama, sa kung napapalit the stickers. Ito. Pagkikot sa buhok. Tuwa ko dahil. Yung duha. Kayong sticky notes. Kayong diary. Kayong sticker. Antik. Kayong sticker. Tapos tuwa ka ingay pen. Tapos pa-aparit sticker. Tapos managsalimihan ko. Tapos anak and Canada kuwapo ko okay today is the third day of this episode 9. So, bago ka ulit from school and our exam today. So, next, yeah. So, ito guys, hatag ni Ate Lala, hatag ni Mama, tapos ako, hatag ni Papa. Thank you guys very much giving me this gift. I appreciate it so much. Thank you sa lahat. Video okay na. So, next time.